Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to go to this place called Banawe. It's a car place in Quezon City, Philippines. And what they do here is they sell all kinds of parts. They're new and old, and that's where most of the people in the country get their parts, and that's where we're going. Anyway, here's the throttle body to the Ford Escape 2.3. Some idiot mechanic tried to bend, can you see it? Tried to bend the butterfly, and in order to keep this thing running, because it didn't run too good, so when they bent it, of course it got stuck, and this throttle area here would get stuck. So when you took off, it would take off like a rocket ship. Okay, I mean, you don't want to do that offline every time. You want to take off slow. So I tried to bend it back, and when I did, it snapped, as you can see. So anyway, this would have happened to a client's car, and I'm not liking that, because I don't like dealing with cars that don't last. So that's kind of scary. So we're on our way there today to go get this part. All right, and I'm going to show you a little tour of Banawe today, so you can see what it looks like, and you can see what kind of things you can get there. All right, so anyway, hope you enjoy our show today, and have a nice day, and I hope you follow me, and so you can enjoy the day looking at car parts. I think looking at car parts is fun, so I don't know about you guys. Anyway, here we go.
Like you, I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
Alright, y'all, we've been stuck in traffic for a while back there, so we need to hustle to Banawe before we get too many cars going through there. Alrighty? Anyway, guys, as you can see, if you look closely, you're gonna see a bunch of guys on the street. What they do is they flag the cars down so they can give them a real cheap tint. We're talking like, I don't know, 20 bucks only to tint the whole car. That's pretty cheap, right? But be warned now, that tint only lasts maybe, I don't know, a couple of months, and then it turns completely clear. So be warned, okay? That's the, what you call that? That's the hook. Once they got you hooked, that's it. That's your money's gone. So what you want to do if you are in a situation like that, like you got this guy here, see him? He's flagging the cars down. What it is these people flag the cars down. First they'll sell you tint, then they'll sell you parts for your car. They're not working for, but they work with the owner of these shops. You can see here, see the shops? And they get customers for the shops, and so they get a commission. So you can see them all down there in the street. They're like, see them? There are a lot of them. Okay, so, and then you got some more over here, like this dude waiting by the white van. He's not waiting for drugs or anything. Oh man, money is a drug here, not drugs. So anyway, these guys will flag the people down so they can get more money for all these business owners here with the building. And that's how the business owners do real well, because a lot of the times the businesses cannot be in front of this main area, which is big time commercial area, big money here, right? So they have to send these guys out here on the main road. Once they got you, they'll take you to the shop that's down one of these side roads over here, and that's where they bring you to the shop, the main shop. Yeah, it's a pretty good system, and that's how they make their money. That's how everybody makes. See that guy right there? He's flagging them down. Yeah, in the US that would be considered a drug deal right here. I got a drug deal going on. Check this out. Oh my God. Hey sir, can I get you some drugs? Oh yeah, let me have 2 ounces of whatever you got there, buddy. No, it's not. They're selling the guy parts, so don't worry. So that's what's going on here. So after I'm done waiting for my agent, whatever you want to call him, he's on his way. Then I'm gonna take you to a Banawe crawl, all right? And then we'll get back to the place and get this car put together so we can get it running and get rid of it, okay? All right, peeps, we're gonna do a Banawe crawl. I'm gonna show you guys this place and the backside of it. So here's simple living right there, right? Okay, now we're gonna go check out some car places. Everybody's staring at me when they see the camera, man. They're like, what's this guy doing filming? There's a lot of places to eat here too, but I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, over there you guys see a lot of places to get parts. Over there. You can see it right there. Anything you need. Quezon City. They even have complete engines if you want it. That's available. See? Now this is the part of Banawe you don't usually get to see, because most people, I don't think anybody's ever vlogged this place. But they even sell parts on a cart, and they bring it right to you if you want it. So it's pretty cool. You can order it and just stay at home, and then, you know, you can write out name. Your any parts there, and axles right there. So pretty much anything you need for most cars, not all of them. I mean, a lot of the American cars that I work on, Ford cars, it's I hardly see any parts for that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. That dump truck is just simply freaking huge. So, and this, if you want lights, you can get lights there. You see, oops, sorry about that, guys. See that? That's lights. So we're gonna make a left here as soon as I get out of the situation. Yeah, driving and vlogging is it's not easy. There you go. There's some engines there. Okay. So anyway, that's about the Banawe crawl. I'd be more extensive. I would do this more extensively, but I gotta get that car fixed, y'all. So let's get our asses back. There's more ahead of me there, but they probably spend all day doing this stuff and not getting any work done. But all right, so that's our little Banawe crawl today. This is a cool place. I always love to come here. A lot of good car almost anything, you can get it here. It's just oh, she's cute. Let's see if you get. Oh shit, that girl was cute. So yeah. Jesus Christ, vlogging and shifting is not recommended. So we're out. They know me real well here, so anyway. So guys, what I got was, oop, I'm gonna run into somebody. Here's my old one. See, with that piece missing. Damn, these things are expensive. That's why I was pissed off when it broke. And here's the new one. As you can see, it's got the throttle plate in there. See it? I know it's kind of dark in here, but all right. So we're good. We're in business. We are in business, folks. Because I gotta make the money. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get rid of this car. It's been too long. So anyway, on the way back, gonna get this thing together, and it will be running today. I'm telling you right now.
First love, we were young and wild. We were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to